So hÉil tá Laoch na hImeartha Eoin Cody. Eoin, I suppose first question, this is the first time that you feel it this year full strength?
Yeah, you know, the way things have went, unfortunately we've had a few injuries there, and yeah, look, it's just great to have everyone back on the pitch. I suppose I've hurled every game bar the last one, picked up a bit of injury in the second last game, and like I suppose nearly 6 or 7 lads probably haven't played yet, so I suppose you might have seen a bit of rustiness, but when things come together they really do go well, and just about driving on for 2 weeks' time.
And in fairness, you were asked questions and they came at you in the second half and they scored their goal, and then they pulled level for the second time after 43 minutes, but you just seem to click up into another gear.
Yeah, look, and it's championship hurling, and I suppose it's probably above that, it's relegation. We knew today was basically a county final and a relegation final all the one. So look, we're just happy to go over the line, and 2 weeks time, as I said, there's draws on soon, we know we're playing, but look, brilliant to have everyone back. We have 2 weeks now of full training with the full squad, so it's just about picking things up, and I suppose after last year, I suppose heartache, it's about just trying to get as close as we can back to that stage, and at the Tom Welsh Cup really.
Now, you would be perfectionists, and maybe if you're picking holes slightly, because you aim so high, you're 12 wides today, maybe that's more than you'd normally have in a game.
Yeah, no, absolutely. I suppose myself as well. A few terrible wides, I suppose I'll be probably having sleepless nights over. But look, there are the things you're able to, good thing about championship, there's going to be a match 2 weeks' time, going to be training on Tuesday night, going to practice them things and make sure they don't happen again.
And you know the way you often take a break, the league, are you happy now that your preparations are going the right way, the graph is going the right way as you prepare for the quarter-final?
Yeah, look, absolutely. It's been hectic enough. We played 2 games, had 1 week off, and then we played 4 games now straight. We've had 1 victory in the 5 league games. We've had nowhere near a full squad fit and healthy, and today you've seen Colin entering the pitch, and we haven't seen Colin all year. He's been in Dubai. So it shows how, I suppose, good a space we're in now, and 2 weeks, I said, of everyone back training, everyone to go to spares after a great win against a great, I suppose, city rival. Look, I just can't wait for 2 weeks' time now.
Well, congratulations to you, Eoin, agus tá hImeartha convoy control, Cork, Nev Canis Ray, and Gradam, Aruna, Laoch na hImeartha Eoin Cody.
Thank you very much.